This evening we're hosting our annual Higher Education Graduation Awards for our students who've studied from levels 4 through to level 7. It's a great evening and our graduates tonight are able to be joined by friends and parents, but also by teachers and support staff across the college who've supported them on their studies. And this evening is an opportunity to not just congratulate, but to celebrate the hard work and dedication that has allowed the students to achieve the successes that they have.
I'm Kelly Fountain and I'm the principal of Gower College Swansea, and graduation is such a special event in the college calendar. We're so proud of every single graduate achieving their qualification and certification today. They are inspiring us all, and a big thank you to all the college staff, family and friends who have supported each and every one of our graduates on their journey of success.
My name is Lloyd Davis and I study Facilities Management. I chose Gower College Swansea because it's closer to home, smaller classes options and one-to-one options. My experience with my tutor Count Falter wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for her. So I thank Gower College and I'm hoping to pursue a job opportunity in facilities.
My name is Hassan Bazed and I studied Applied Computing. My classes at Gower College Swansea were honestly really fun. They were very focused on the practical side of computing, which is what I prefer. It allowed me to learn things a lot faster. Now that I've graduated, I plan on going to get my bachelor's degree. I'm going to go to Swansea University and get my software engineering degree completed and hopefully start my career.
I'm Keris. I've done the level 3 and level 4 NVQ in advice and guidance with the Gower College. My assessor was absolutely brilliant with me, really supportive, nothing was too much trouble for her. I'd recommend anybody go through it, even if it's through their work or just off their own back. It's really nice to go back into a learning environment and gain some extra skills for your progression in your careers. Now I've graduated, I'm intending on gaining a higher position in a management role within the policy environment of my employer. I would recommend a course at Gower College Swansea purely because the support you have is absolutely phenomenal. Depending on what background you come from, it's perfect, nothing's too much trouble and the assessors are all really helpful.
Absolutely delighted. It's great to be here again at Swansea Arena, and what a fitting venue it is to celebrate our learners in this HE graduation ceremony. So our learners are helping to shape the economy, they're responding to employer demands, and they are working in areas of industry that are really going to develop what we do here as a region. Congratulations to all of our graduates this evening. We wish them all the best and we look forward to seeing their progress throughout their careers.
I'm Rosia Cifuentes, I'm the Children's Commissioner for Wales. I'm so thrilled to be here taking part in the Gower College Swansea graduation ceremony. It's so brilliant to be part of this celebration of all the students' hard work, and it's brilliant to see all the families around them really sharing in that success. My message to the students is it's so brilliant to see you claiming and actually enjoying your right to education, so well done to you all.